Hey guys, I got Clash of the Titans Best Buy Blu-ray Steelbook, $9.99. Never seen this, but I trust it'll be good enough for $9.99 and for the Steelbook, so I had to pick it up. I got mostly all of these Steelbooks that I've been unboxing at not my local Best Buy, one a little farther away. My local Best Buy, actually on Black Friday, they were pretty much out of all the Steelbooks except for the Batman Begins and the Dark Knight. I already had those. But I went back there the Saturday or Sunday after Black Friday, and I found this. Oh no, sorry, it wasn't this one. It was actually this one, The Wrath of the Titans. I found this one buried in the little video game bin. Not that I was looking for video games, but yeah. So I guess I messed that up. I was supposed to tell that story for Wrath of the Titans unboxing, but oh well. Special features. WB Maximum Movie Mode, Harnessing the Gods, lists a bunch of names, and yeah, won't read that. Alternate ending, additional scenes, Sam Worthington, an action hero for the ages. This is PG-13, 106 minutes, and let's open it up. Here's the slip. I haven't seen the movie, so I don't really know what this guy's name is. Big monster thing there. Kind of some nice artwork. And it looks like we have little warrior man riding on his dinosaur bird there, if that's appropriate to call it. But let's open it up. Clash of the Titans Blu-ray disc. No internal artwork, of course. Yep. Alright guys, Clash of the Titans Blu-ray Steelbook. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe. If you want to leave some hateful comments, I'm not sure what's going to happen if you do that, but please feel free, as long as you watch this. Yeah, thank you guys. Please check back for more.